Want to share your crypto trading expertise and earn while doing it? Then becoming a Bybit regular advisor might be your golden ticket. First, head over to the Bybit website. Make sure you're logged into your verified Bybit account. No account. You'll need to sign up and complete the KYC verification process before proceeding. Next, find the copy trading section. It's usually located in the top navigation bar. Click on it to access the copy trading platform. Once you're on the copy trading page, look for an option like Become a Master Trader or a similar call to action. It might be displayed as a button or a link. Click on it. You'll now be directed to the application form. This is where you provide information about your trading experience, strategies, and risk tolerance. Be honest and detailed. Make sure to fill out all required fields accurately, including your profit and loss. Pay close attention to the section about your trading strategies. Clearly explain your approach to the market, the assets you trade, and the risk management techniques you employ. This is crucial for attracting potential followers. After filling out the application, submit it. You'll likely receive a confirmation message indicating that your application is under review. The review process can take some time, so be patient. Once approved, you'll be notified, and you can start building your advisor profile, attracting followers, and sharing your trades. Good luck on your journey to becoming a successful Bybit regular advisor.